This video shows how to use an EpiPen to help someone who is having a severe allergic reaction known as anaphylaxis. Follow instructions on the ASCII action plan stored with their EpiPen. When someone is having anaphylaxis, help them lie down. If breathing is difficult, help them sit up, but they should not stand or walk. Make a fist around the middle of the EpiPen, keeping your fingers and thumb away from either end. When you hold the EpiPen, it's blue to the sky and orange to the thigh. Pull off the blue safety release. Place the orange end firmly against the middle of the outer thigh. The EpiPen works through a single layer of clothing, but not through pockets or seams. Push the EpiPen down onto the thigh until you hear a click. Hold firmly in place while counting to 3. When you remove the EpiPen, the orange end will extend over the needle. Put the EpiPen to one side, call 000 immediately and ask for an ambulance. Do not allow the person to stand or walk at any time. The person must stay in hospital for at least 4 hours. For more information on allergy and anaphylaxis, visit our website or call our helpline on 1300 728 000. Or visit the website for the Australasian Society of Clinical Immunology and Allergy.